Hi, I'm here to talk to you about the dishwasher that is standard with every Stolzfus home here in the Faire Wynd community. The dishwasher next to me here is a Nautilus GE dishwasher. It's a standard dishwasher. You'll notice it's a white-on-white dishwasher. You can get white-on-white or bisque-on-bisque as a standard here in the Faire Wynd community, whatever you choose. And this dishwasher has several features. There's a pot and pan setting, a normal setting, a light wash, your china crystal setting, rinse only, high temperature rinse, high temperature wash, heated dry setting, a lock as well so you can lock it, and there's also a delay setting for 2, 4, or 8 hours, which is a nice feature of the dishwasher. You have plenty of space inside here. There's already a instrument here to help you check to see your level of jet dry, which is part of the dishwasher. And one of my favorite things about the dishwasher, reason enough to buy a Stolzfus home in and of itself, a free package of Cascade. Thank you very much for your time. Take care.